Here I am with another video, and I am going to take this taste test for these new Takis called Takis Explosion, and it is cheese and chili pepper Takis. Now, never had them before, don't know how long they've been out, so if you're a true Taki fan out there, let me know if you've tried this. So here it is. I opened the bag, and not much of a smell coming from it. But I've only had the Fuego. That was called Fuego. What are you doing? Yeah, they saw that. So here we go. They don't look like an explosion. So we'll see. So once again, this is cheese and chili pepper. You definitely taste that cheese on the first hit. And that chili's coming with too. Got the burn on my tongue. It's not exploding though. I guess if you eat enough of them, maybe. Wanna try one? It's good cheese flavor. I think the one in the purple bag,
Takis.
Fuego.
Yeah.
I think they're hotter to me when I first eat those. These have a kick to it, but I've been able to eat more. I love that cheese flavor though. Scale of 1 to 10, I'll give them an 8. They're pretty good. I can stand them. You know, we have some Taki fans here in our house. So, go ahead and try those if you haven't. And rate, comment, and subscribe. Cheese flavor is really pretty good in there. All right, bye.